Welcome to SlideCast Studio. SlideCast Studio is an app that lets you convert slide presentations into videos, complete with subtitles and audio. In this video, we'll walk you through the process, from loading your slides to adjusting the script, audio, and design, and finally exporting the video, all while viewing the actual interface. By the way, this tutorial video itself was created using SlideCast Studio. We hope you'll watch it as an example of the kind of videos you can actually create. Now, let's take a look at the actual interface. First, open SlideCast Bundle Builder from the dashboard. Once SlideCast Bundle Builder opens, upload the content you want to turn into a video. Once the upload is complete, check the order, and if everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Next, we'll decide on the details for the script. Let's determine the target audience, style, length, number of speakers, and language. Once you've finalized your settings, click the Generate Script button, and the script generation will begin. Once the document has been generated, review it and make any necessary corrections. If everything looks good, let's move on. Next, we'll generate the voice. Set the voice character and press the Generate button to start voice generation. Listen to the generated audio, and if there are no issues, proceed to the next step. Check for any missing entries, and if everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Download the zip file. Return to SlideCast Studio and upload the zip file you just downloaded. Next, go to the settings in the upper left corner to customize the design to your liking, and then click the Video Export button in the upper right corner to start exporting the video. Since video exporting uses a lot of memory, close any unrelated tabs and pause other tasks for now. Once the export is complete, play the video to check it. That concludes the step-by-step process for turning your slides into a video using SlideCast Studio. If you save your detailed settings as presets, you can easily recreate your unique style every time you use the tool. So far, we've covered the basic process of turning slide presentations into videos using SlideCast Studio. However, what we've shown you today is just a fraction of SlideCast Studio's capabilities. In fact, the software is equipped with a wide range of features designed to streamline video production, including AI-powered script generation, text-to-speech and subtitle design, avatars, slide animations, background music and sound effects, and support for video slides. For detailed instructions on how to use SlideCast Studio, download instructions, and the latest update information, please check out our Note article. We update the app regularly and are constantly adding new features and making improvements. If you're interested, please check out the Note article via the link in the description or within the post. You can also find it by searching for SlideCast Studio on Note.